Good morning, my dear friends. Myself, Parvesh Batra. I have come back again, and now my topic of discussion for today's class is basic proportional theorem. It is there in triangle chapter of class 10th, and we will discuss about it. I'll discuss the statement as well as its proof in this lecture, in this class. My name is Parvesh Batra, and I hope I have sent few earlier videos also. I hope you like my video and subscribe it and forward it to your friends. So let's continue with my today's topic, which is basic proportional theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem because it is discovered by scientist Thales. Okay, so let's continue with it. Okay. So this I'm first giving the statement of it. Let's see. This says that in a triangle, I am first giving the statement. In a triangle, if a line is drawn, parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. What does it mean? It means suppose there is a triangle ABC. Suppose there is a triangle ABC. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. Suppose there is a line L which is parallel to BC. Suppose there is a line which is parallel to only one side, BC, and it cuts the other two lines AB and BC at suppose point D and C. Then this statement says that if line L is parallel to BC, then AD upon BB is same as AE upon EC. ये हमें show करना है, right? We are given is line L is parallel to BC. And to show, what do we have to show? To prove, we have to prove AB upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is what we have to show. So how will we show? This is first the statement of basic proportional theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem, which I am going to write here. It is Thales theorem. Thales theorem. So don't confuse with it कि थेल्स थ्योरम क्या चीज है. थेल्स थ्योरम और बेसिक थ्योरम एक ही चीज होती है. ठीक है, कंफ्यूज मत होना. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू द प्रूफ ऑफ इट कि इसके बाद ये चीज कैसे आएगी. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं आपका प्रूफ देता हूं आपको. ये तो जो स्टेट लिखा था मैंने, स्टेटमेंट लिखी थी. ये स्टेटमेंट भी 1 मार्क में आती है एग्जाम. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट इन क्लास 10 चैप्टर 6 ट्राइंगल्स. So I am giving you the proof of it. Proof of, इसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बीपीटी भी बोलते हैं. बीपीटी, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम. Proof. So okay, suppose there is a triangle ABC, and suppose there is a line L which is parallel to BC, cutting line AB and AC at point D and E. Suppose this is point E and this is point E. Okay, and we have to show that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Right here, to show AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, so how will you show it? We first do one construction in this one. Okay, so what is the construction? Construction is from point D, draw DN perpendicular to AC. I write it here, draw DN perpendicular to AC. Similarly, from point E, draw EN perpendicular to AB. Okay, and also join this one, join BE and join BC. So this is the construction. Construction is always done to solve the proof of the, or I would say construction is always done to simplify the process. जो चीज हमें प्रूव करनी है उसको प्रूव करने के लिए अगर हमें फिगर में कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़े उस चीज को हम कंस्ट्रक्शन कहते हैं. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन में इसलिए कर रहा हूं ताकि मैं जो मेरे को ये प्रूव करना है वो प्रूव कर सकूं. ठीक है, तो प्रूफ मैं आप देखो यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन. कंस्ट्रक्शन मतलब वो चीज जो हमने फिगर में चेंज किए ताकि जो चीज हमें प्रूव करनी है वो हो जाए. तो लिखेंगे थ्रू पॉइंट्स D and E, draw DM and EN. Draw DM perpendicular to AC, AB and EN perpendicular to